Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. On the third position we've got language and input, so let's enter and tap on language and region. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, French. And to your device, after tapping on the language you'd like to use, will ask you if you want to set it as a main one. So let's tap on change simply, and as you can see here we've got everything displayed in the French language. If you've got two different languages on the list, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the language you'd like to switch to, and as you can see, after tapping on English, it has been immediately applied. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit, and now just tap on X button right next to the language you'd like to remove. Tap on the tick icon, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.